Hey guys, what's up? Now today I am gonna talk about one thing. Like there are two kind of people on the planet. Of course, I mean there are many kinds of people, but there are two kind of people who use a smartphone. So one of them is like me, who might never want to change a wallpaper. But then there are the second kind of people who might want to change wallpapers on, like, let's say daily basis or even hourly basis. Like they love to customize their phones as per their liking, and that's where the best wallpaper app list comes in. Yes guys, we are gonna talk about the best wallpapers that you can download, wallpaper apps that you can download on your Android phone, so that you can customize it as per your liking. Well, what are we waiting for? My name is Ashish, you're watching Guiding Tech. Let's get started. So well, let's start with the first one in the list, and the name of the app is Stocky. And it's an interesting app. A lot of times a new phone launches with some amazing stock and unique wallpapers, right? And wouldn't it be great if you can get that wallpaper on your device? That's where Stocky comes in. So it offers a huge collection of stock Android wallpapers from around the OEMs around the world. And by stock wallpapers, I mean the stock wallpapers found in your iPhones, Samsung Galaxies, Realme, the new series. Let's say if it's a OnePlus 10 Pro, it might come with a new wallpaper. So that's what you're gonna find in this particular app, and that also in high resolution. So well, if you like such apps, if such wallpapers, you can go ahead and download this. The next up in the list is Creative App, and if you're looking for a complete app with a full-fledged customization option with a community that supports it, Creative is just the app for you. Here you'll find thousands of wallpapers, ringtones, and home screen ideas shared by other users. You can also share your content and download other users' content, comment, quote, or just like the content you might like the most. So it's like an Instagram stories or Instagram feed for the best home screen setups out there, where you can download the resources for yourself. The next one in the list is TapIt, and it's a unique wallpaper app. I mean, it offers you various wallpapers in material design style. The wallpapers in this app are generated directly on your device using a very clever algorithm. The app doesn't feature any categories or topics, but allows you to select your favorite colors and patterns of the picture that will help it to generate the customized wallpaper that you might like. This gives you a more personalized experience because this wallpaper is just there for you on your phone. If you look into the probability, it's very less that somebody else might select all the exact same values. So it's a very unique wallpaper for just your device. The next app in the list is Kappboom, and it is actually recommended by like the viewers who watch Guiding Tech, and it's a pretty neat app. Now, this particular app has a huge collection of cool and funky wallpapers that should suit everyone's need. The app comes with a well-curated set of wallpapers thanks to its variety of categories, which makes finding your favorite wallpaper super easy. Additionally, it also supports Android Wear, which is a huge plus for me. Moving on, Wallpapers by Google, or we all know as Google Wallpapers, is something that you should check out if you haven't already. And that's 100% free and simple to use. Google Wallpapers is a way to go, and it has numerous categories of style, including landscapes, textures, arts, and so much more. There is no premium version or ads, so to speak of, so it is one of the cleanest app that you can install for wallpapers. And finally, the last on the list, we have Abstruct, which comes from designer of all the OnePlus wallpapers. Yep, you heard it right. He has designed all the OnePlus wallpapers. The app contains for the wallpapers from OnePlus, along with everything else the wallpaper artist Hampus has made. They're all available in 4K resolution, so you get the full collection along with more personal work from him. And you know what? Everything is free. So if you like the artistic vision of OnePlus devices, this is the app that you must download. And well, that's about it, guys. These were some of the best wallpaper apps that you can download on your Android device. There might be so many more. So if you want to recommend us for our next video, please do so in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do hit that subscribe button as well. So well, this was Ashish from Guiding Tech, and I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye guys.